Well, it is busy out there across the Atlantic. There are now two named storms in the basin. Still tracking Gabrielle, remains a hurricane as it streaks across the North Atlantic right now. And there is Humberto, newly named storm yesterday, tracking to the north and west into the southwest Atlantic. Along with that, another storm likely joins the bunch in the next couple of days here. The area of low pressure we've been watching that is moving towards Hispaniola. High chance that develops as it moves over the Bahamas going into the weekend. Let's begin with Humberto, newly named 45-mile-per-hour tropical storm as the 5 o'clock update from the Hurricane Center, moving to the north and west at 10 miles per hour. Not looking terribly organized in the satellite presentation this morning. It has maintained quite a bit of thunderstorm activity over the center over the last 12 to 24 hours, hence the upgrade to tropical storm. There's the path this is expected to take, slowing down as it hits some high pressure today and tomorrow, remaining a tropical storm, slow intensification, and then the potential for rapid intensification by the late part of the weekend, early next week, all the way up to major hurricane status by Monday, well east of Florida, and that's the key. This will stay east of Florida. We're also watching this, again, broad area of low pressure, what we call a tropical wave, moving towards Hispaniola, producing locally heavy rainfall here. As it lifts north across the Bahamas this weekend, there is a high chance this, too, will develop into a tropical depression or tropical storm. Next name on the list would be Imelda. Now, for our purposes here in Florida, all indications are this will stay to our east. This is the steering pattern as we go into the weekend. High pressure over the Atlantic near Bermuda, upper level low pressure, a trough, a dip in the jet stream, dipping into Florida and the southeast. That provides sort of this highway for these storms to take as they develop as we go forward in time. And as such, when you look at the model plots, everything showing them sort of heading toward that corridor, going northward, staying east of Florida. Both are developing low, and Humberto staying east of Florida. But let's take a look at this. A pretty interesting setup here, a complicated setup going forward for these storms. There's Humberto. This is by tomorrow morning. We do not have a developed system over the Bahamas just yet, just an enhancement of the winds. As we go forward in time, though, we watch that sort of close itself off by Saturday. This is the European forecast model. Still shows this as an undeveloped system, then finally coming together by the time we get to Sunday. I do think there's a chance Sunday afternoon we're talking two named storms east of Florida. And note, this is the European forecast model. It's important to look at more than just one model to get an idea of what sort of the broader scope is, what the models are saying. And there you go. There's the GFS forecast model showing both a little bit stronger but similar placement to both storms. So in this case, too, two named storms east of Florida by the time we get to Sunday. Both likely tracking to the north and staying to our east. Now, I'm not expecting direct impacts from these storms here in Florida. In fact, as this one tracks to the north, it looks to drag some drier air in on its backside, and that should keep our rain chances limited as we go forward.